Hey guys, and welcome to another video. This one's going to be a little bit different, I think. So I'm going to be doing a tier list, which I know are pretty controversial, but you know what, fuck it. So we've got the main girls down here, including the sisters and Arise, Yo's cousin, and the more recent Shiriko from SIFAS All Stars. So that's pretty cool. So I put all of the newer girls down here in the unranked tier because I don't know much about them to, put them in any of these tiers. So no bias either way. So who am I going to start out with? Let's see here. Anyway, I should say SS obviously is God tier. S is very good. A is great. B is good. C is fine. D is I don't like him that much. And F is no. Alright, so who do I want to start out with? Yo, of course, is SS. Very biased, I know, but I'm going to start out with this girl. And the lottery goes to Yukio. Yukio is Honoka's younger sister. She plays a very minor role in the original Love Live. I don't like her that much. She's kind of annoying. I'm gonna put her in C. She's not that bad, but she's just kind of there. Now we're on that same thing. Where is Yukio? Yukio is a slightly more active role, and she's funnier. I don't know. These two are kind of like, I'm just gonna get them out of the way. I'm gonna put her in B. She's decent for a side character. Okay, random lottery goes to Maki. Oh god. I'm probably gonna piss off a lot of people. I don't like Maki that much. Yeah, she's the red-haired tsundere who plays piano. But she's not... I just don't like her that much. I don't like tsunderes. Actually, I do think she belongs in B. So fuck me if you want to crucify me for putting her there. I don't dislike her, but she's just like, I don't care about her whatsoever. I'm sorry. Let's get a novel character in here. Kanen. Oh man, I wanted to like Kanen. Kanen's a cool character. I mean, her backstory's cool. All that, but she was just terribly developed. I mean, seriously, she's got a great voice. Her only real redeeming role is Happy Party Train, but I'm not gonna judge her based on that. I like Kanen. The only problem is she didn't get enough screen time. I think she would have been a far better character if she had been given more opportunities to redeem herself. I'm putting her in B. Actually, B above Maki. Sorry, I'm gonna put her in B above Yukio. Probably be the back. Because I should probably alternate. Emma. Again, I don't know much about Emma. I know she's from Switzerland. Has a very nice voice. I just never liked her that much. She seemed kind of bland. Very poor argument. Again, I haven't seen the anime. I'm assuming the anime is going to flesh out the Nijigasaki girls a lot more. But for now, I'm going to have to put her in C. I mean, her more recent songs are much better, but I just don't like her. I'm sorry. Back to Muse. Muse. Nozomi. Oh, that's just what the fuck, computer. No. Nozomi go? Where did Nozomi go? Okay, Nozomi is she has her moments, but like her trademark is that washy shit. which I don't really care for all that much. She has like one heartfelt moment. She's kind of the wise girl who I never liked Nozomi. I'm gonna put her in C. I'm sorry, Nozomi. Okay, what's next? I need a Aqua girl. Rico. Okay, Rico is like the Maki equivalent for Aqua. You know, she plays piano. She's the composer. She's the one that Chica absolutely needs to join Aqua. But you know, I don't like tsunderes all that much. I like the more calm tsunderes, but Maki's just over the top. Um, Rico is a great character. I feel like she does grow throughout the series a lot. You know, she's initially really shy and just insecure about who she is, but you know, she joins Aqua. She creates dope ass songs, and she develops some really great relationships. May I say the Yohane Rico, Yo Rico, Yo Chica. I'm gonna put her in S. I like Rico a lot. Yeah, I'm not judgmental just because the Aqua character is up here. May or may you I put Con in B, so don't judge me. Aqua. Nico. I don't need to explain this. F. People say, oh, Nikwa. Did I just say Nikwa? Nuke kind of redeems herself in the second season. No way she does. You know, we see how she struggles and all that shit. But Nico is just a terrible character. She's obnoxious, dumb, doesn't display her love for idols in a way that is, you know, likable. You know, Hanyo obviously loves them, but Hanyo is so endearing. And in, you know, the later series, Chica obviously, and Kasumi. Nico just, she is the epitome of F. I'm sorry. Nijigasaki. Uh, I. I is pretty cool. You know, initially I wasn't a fan of I because she just kind of seemed like that, like a side version of a Genki girl. But all her jokes are in puns. All her jokes are in puns. And she's super friendly. And her songs are pretty cool. Again, I need to learn more about these Nijigasaki girls. So I'm going to put her at B. I think that's an inappropriate place. Yeah, I'm kind of getting out of order here. What about Yoshiko? Yoshiko is a true chuny. You know, if you ever watched any chuny anime, you immediately recognize that, oh, fuck yeah, Yoshiko's a chuny. I don't like chunies all that much. I've watched some of the more popular ones, and they're just obnoxious to me. But Yoshiko has a pretty good human side, a great voice. And, you know, it's one of the few times that I've laughed at actual chuny scenes. So I'm going to put her in A, just because, you know, Datenshi Yohane Shook. Okay, Money Shot. Honoka. Honoka. The OG. You know, I usually like the protagonists of Love Live. Honoka is no exception. I mean, I like Chica better. But Honoka is very endearing. You know, she's the OG. Well, I find her obnoxious in some ways. She's not as dumb as Chica. Oh, wait, I'm rephrasing that wrong. She's dumber than Chica, which is really hard to believe. I mean, you know that whole no brand girls part where she fucking faints in the end of the show because she's sick. Come on. I'm gonna put her in A because I respect the hell out of her. But come on, Chica. Come on. Come on, any orange-haired protagonist. Looking at you, Ayumu. You're next. Ayumu, I have basically nothing to say. She's very generic. She's like the pure B tier. Let's get into some Saint Snow. I want to go to Saint Snow. Leia. Leia is a very poor sport. I mean, I want to put her in B or A, but she really is a poor sport. She's kind of bitchy. Her only redeeming point is the awaken the power thing with Ruby. So I'm going to put her in B. And where's Sarah? Sarah is A because, you know, she's like the better version of Leia. Calm, collected. She does what she wants. Maybe that's not the best way to put it, but I'm gonna put her in A. Another Muse girl, Reen. Reen is D for sure. I mean, yeah, you have that one arc where she's like, I'm not pretty because I have short hair and I'm athletic and I don't have big tits. And Hani was like, no, Reen, you're so cute. It's like, I don't put her in F. I mean, I would put her in F if she didn't have a great voice. I mean, if you haven't heard her in any of like the Reen Honika duo shit, like Mermaid Festa, she has a great voice. So she's in D just because she has a good voice. Hanamaru, oh my god. Zoromaru, decent voice. Zoromaru's a meme. I never found her that interesting. She's kind of there for like mild comedic relief, but we have Yoshiko, who's already there for comic. C. Nijigasaki. Kanata. Again, I don't know much about Kanata. I mean, I know she's like the sleepyhead and she studies a lot, but she's kind of boring based on my readings in the series. I'm gonna put her in C. I know some of these are pretty lazy, but I don't know a whole lot about the Nijigasaki girls because there's been no anime, and I'm sure I could do more reading, but you gotta trust me on this one. Mama Manisha Yusuke Watanabe, Yo's cousin. She is in the movie Love Life Sunshine movie, and all I can say is she's really chill. I mean, she is Yo's cousin for sure. I'm not going to put her in A because, we don't see her enough. We don't learn much. She's B tier, definitely. Who do I want to do next? Tsubasa Kira. The Arise leader. A. She's a badass. She doesn't give any kind of excuses to Muse when they confront her. She's a great leader. Anyway, let's do the rest of them. I mean, I don't really care about most of the other two. Oh, excuse me. Arena and Anju. I'm going to put them both in B, I think. Is that what I want to do? Trying to think. Yeah, both in B. I may adjust this a bit later, but okay, we're down to one row. That's good. Hanyo. I don't like Hanyo that much. She's cute and kind of one girl who kind of want to hug. Oh, that sounded fucking creepy. I mean, she's very wholesome. She's very kind. She cares a lot. I mean, she's like Nico, but not as creepy. But she's just kind of a boring character. It's like, I like rice. The alpacas are cute. I like idols. My voice is kind of annoying. She belongs with her lesbian friend Rena D. I'm sorry. Daya. I'm going out of order. I don't care. Am I going out of order? I don't know. I used to put Daya in like a B or C tier, but Daya is a great character. You know, she's like Ellie with more character development. You know, Daya's strict, but she wants friends clearly besides Kanan and Mari. And her catchphrases are top notch. Boo boo desu wa. Look at her. Oh, Rena. Rena is mysterious. I don't know a whole lot about her. I mean, I've seen her without her mask, of course, but it's like she's kind of bland right now. I don't want to put her in D, but she's just not that developed at the moment, so she kind of belongs in D. I want to see her develop a lot more, but I'm just gonna have to wait and see until what the anime does. Blah 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 blah. Money shot. Shioriko, the student council girl from the game. I don't have much to say, so I'm just gonna slap her and see. I like how she's kind of a direct contrast to Setsuna, who doesn't give a shit about what anyone thinks. So she's not like a main character. Umi. Umi has a very strong place in my heart. She is a great character. A lot of fantastic meme moments. But she is the original like foil to Honoka. Like Honoka's just, let's start an idol group. I don't care what happens. And Umi's just the complete opposite. Honoka, have you actually thought about this? Is it? Yeah. Plus, her voice is amazing. Mimori Suzuku is fucking awesome. I'm gonna put Umi in S. You know, I would probably put her in A, but God, Umi is just great. Ellie, let's just get Ellie. I'm very conflicted on. You know, she has her moments. She's like that generic student council without the personality that Dai has, I feel. Yeah, she has her Russian backlore and shit, but I just don't really care that much about Ellie. B. I don't think she's that bad to deserve C, but yeah. Chica. Okay, I'm pretty biased towards Chica. I think she's a better protagonist than Chica. I think she's a better protagonist than Honoka is. You know, I love Honoka a lot. But Chica just, I don't know, there's something I can't really explain. Honoka just seemed too impulsive. Wait, so did Chica. But Chica went through a lot of shit. It was like, we failed. But we're gonna get back up on our feet and we're gonna keep going. I think Honoka's biggest loss was like she passed out on stage. I like Chica, I'm gonna give her an S. Okay, we're down to the last 7. Karin. I don't like Karin that much. C. I'm sorry, I don't have much explanation towards her. Mari. Oh god, Mari. There's so many places I could put you. You are simultaneously a meme and a good character at the same time. B. Katori. I am a sucker for the gray haired girl trio, Kasumi, Yo, and Katori. But Katori, I don't. Katori is so sweet. She supports Honoka no matter what. She's good at things despite her airheadedness. The only thing I hate is her voice. I'm trying to be like someone of integrity here. I mean, Yo has her flaws, but her voice is top notch. So, sorry, Katori. I'm gonna put you in S. It pains me to not put you in SS, but Ruby. Ruby has a. I don't like her voice. Except Red Gem Wink. But she is cute. She has some pretty good character growth throughout the series. You know, she kind of steps up and says, Daya, I want to do what I want, bitch. Becomes less timid. Has some comedic relief. You know, I could compare her with Hanamaru, like that part where they're training. Hanamaru's not like Ruby. Hanamaru's kind of a bitch. Ruby's like, I'm not fit, but I'm gonna do this. Okay. Shizuku. I don't have much to say. I used to really like Shizuku, but I'm gonna put her in B. I like her. She's cute, but she doesn't have a whole. Maybe I should put her in Snap. Okay, so we got Setsuna and Kasumi. Setsuna I've really, really grown to love. I mean, initially I thought, cool character design. Great. So, what's so great about her? Well, once you read her stories, you'll understand. Setsuna is a full-on weeb. She likes anime, she likes manga. She constantly talks about it. She doesn't give a shit what anyone thinks, you know. She'll just randomly talk about it in public. It's not like, oh, let's talk about this in private. No, Setsuna is the person you want to be. To be able to talk about what you love and not give a shit about what anyone thinks. SS. And then we got Kasumi, who I love also. If you've ever seen her recent PV for her newest single, you can kind of measure the progress that she's made from her original single to this one. And it's just amazing. I don't want to put her at SS because I don't know. I think she deserved S. They should have made triple S. I think she's S. So I think that's what I'm going to leave it at. Let me review this. We got Yo and Setsuna, Sas, Riko, Yumi, Chika, Katori, Setsuna, Kasumi, Yoshika, Honoka, Sera, Tsubasa, Daya, Ruby, Kanan, Maki, Yukio, Ayumu, Leia, Suki, Erena, Anju, Eri, Mari, Shizuku, Arisa, God. Emma, Nozomi, Hanamaru. Oh my god, why do I always forget the sleepy girls? Kanata. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Shiriko. Karin, Rin, Hanayo, and Rina. And of course, Nico and F tier. And these girls. So yeah, that's my current tier list. Obviously it's always updatable. These are pretty arbitrary, like I said. pretty much anyone from B to SS I like to some extent. Or more like A to SS to some extent. B, I can handpick some. But yeah. F is kind of, it's Nico. That's Nico's tier. And Nico's tier alone. Bitch. Anyway, thanks for watching. This was a pretty shitty video. And if anyone actually catches wind of it, they're probably going to destroy me. So whatever. I'll probably change it when the Nijigasaki anime comes out. Setsuna may actually go up to SSS. I don't actually know. So anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you later in some other video. Bye bye.